Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kitech Digital. Now in this video we are going to create this beautiful website over here, which is a football club website. So for those of you who want to create football club, and those of you who need a football website, now this is the perfect website for you. Now this is a simple football website that I created for this tutorial. So we're going to go through how the whole football website works like, and then we will learn how to create the tutorial. So after going through, what I'll do is I have prepared a template for you guys who doesn't want to go through the process of learning how to create it, but you just want to install the template, or you want the template. I've really prepared a template about it. You can get it in the link in the description, and then you follow this tutorial to be able to install the template. So this is basically how the the website looks like. Very simple. This is the home page. Okay, so as you can see, we have the header over here with the logo over here, and then the menu items, and then with a button over here, and then social icons too over here. And then we have a transparent header. And then as you can see, if I scroll, there is a sticky header over here which also comes. And then we have the hero section over here, which is a slider which changes. Okay, and then with Kitech Football Club written on it over here. And then if you want to learn more, you click here on the button to learn more, which will send you to the about page over here. Now the mission and the vision of the club too is is over here. So you can see the mission and the vision of the club all written boldly in this card over here. Okay, so this beautiful icon box over here. And then we also have a section over here which also display a little bit about the club. And then with this how do you call it, slider, or with this pictures changing here and there. Okay, and then when you scroll down also, you see what the club really does. So we assist young people make positive choices by improving their health, social well-being, employability. And then you can write anything that you want to write, but you can use this and then modify it to do your own thing. And then we also have the gallery section over here, which displays a little bit about the football sessions and the training sessions of the club. And then we also have a call to action over here to seek for donation. That is, if you have a foundation or something like that which you are dealing with. And then we also have the footer section, which shows the football club logo, also the some menu items over here, footer menu items over here. And then we have the gallery also showing over here. And then we have a video over here which shows what the training of the club. Okay, so the training session of the club all over here. And then of course the footer menu to the footer session over here, or the footer widget, which displays what the copyright part over there. So basically this is how the home page looks like. So like I said, if you click over here, we'll send it to the about page over here. Now this website is perfectly designed for anybody who owns a club, or a football club, or a soccer club that wants to have a website. So as you can see, this is a perfect about us page. Okay, so as you can see, welcome welcome Kitech Football Club. And then we have the same kind of like session, but this time around this is small and this place is a little bit big. Okay, and then displays the about us over here. It goes on to also display the ambition of the club and everything, and then the vision, mission of the club, and then also the what we do. Okay, so all the things that we do with the coach too over here. and then the core values, or the values of the of the football club, and then of course the footer. So this is an in-depth about us page, perfectly designed for your how do you call it, your club or your soccer club. Okay, so as you can see, everything is on point. And then we also have the news section, that is if you have some some news that you want to but at this moment there's nothing over here. It is basically like a blog. Okay, so you can put it over there. And then we have the the gallery also over here. So with this gallery, you'll be able to get a fair idea about how the gallery really looks like. So with this one, like I said, you can't see this one really well, but I can really let me go into it. Let me go into the Elementor page builder and then show you how you can easily customize this website. Now this website was built with Elementor page builder or website builder. Okay, so for those of you who know Elementor website builder, you can easily integrate or easily install it and then customize the website to suit whatever you want. So I want to just change some few things over here. So I'm going to go to here, add a session. Okay, and then I'm going to go and then change the session to I want to say no gap, and I'll change the session to minimum height. So this is how it's going to be like. Okay, so with the minimum height, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a background over here. So with the session, this session, I'm going to give it a background over here. So I'm going to give it a classic background. I'm going to pick a picture for it, and then with a picture, I'm going to pick a very nice picture which it's quite okay. So I'm going to pick this one over here. I'm going to place it over here. So as you can see, we have this picture over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to position it center, yeah, like this one. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do repeat as no repeat, and then default I'm going to make it to a cover. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this one to, let's say, 200 or 250. Sorry. Okay, so 250 over here. So as you can see, now there is a background over there. Okay, so which is quite okay. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update it. Okay, so I was just trying to update this session so that I will have a background over there. Okay, so now that I have a background, now I can what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this session. I'm going to just copy it so that when I reach somewhere else and it doesn't also have a background, I'll place it over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to view page over here to view the page. So this is how the page looks like. Now I have a very nice background over there. Now I can go to contact. Okay, so with a contact, very nice contact page over here with the contact details and other stuff. And then I can also go to donate over here. So this is how the donation page also looks like. It's basically like a foundation page. Okay, so Kitech FC Foundation. So we use the power of football to improve the lives of young people, and then write about the foundation, and then the donation. Okay, so people can click over here and then it will send them to the contact us page to contact us for any donation that they want to give. You can also link this page to a donation page that you want, so anyhow you want it. So basically guys, this is how the whole website looks like. It's very simple, but in detail you can get a lot from this website. So for those of you who don't know or who cannot follow this tutorial to create it, I'm going to show you how you can get this website installed on your website. So there's a link in the description. Make sure that you follow that link. Now click on that link. It will send you to a page. Download the template of the website. Now when you download the template of the website, you're gonna get something like this one over here. Okay, so you're gonna get this one. Okay, Now when you get this, zip file over here, unzip it. When you unzip it, you're gonna get these two things over here. Now these are the things that we are going to install. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a newly installed WordPress over here. So this is what a new website. There is nothing on it. I'm just refreshing it for you to see there is nothing on it. So what we are going to do is we go to the back end of it. Now go to plugins over here. Click on add new to add new plugin. Okay, now after adding the new plugin, search for Elementor. Okay, just search for Elementor over here. Okay, so you get this Elementor website builder over here. That is what we need. Click on install. Okay, after installing it, do not activate it yet. Now go to appearance over here, click on themes. Okay, just click on themes over there, and then we're going to search for we're going to add a new theme. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on add new over here. After clicking on add new, search for the theme that you want. Okay, so click over here, and then we're going to search for cadence theme. Okay, so we're going to search for this cadence. It's a free theme, you don't need to buy anything. Just search for the cadence theme over here, and then click on install now. So just click on install to install it, and then click on activate to activate it. Okay, so now that you have this one installed and activated, all what you need to do is to go back to your plugins over here, go to installed plugins. Okay, now we have a lot of plugins installed, but that is not what we want. Now I'm going to delete all these plugins because I don't need them. So I'll just click on it and then click on delete over here, and then click on apply to and then click on OK to delete the plugins that I don't need. So I'm going to also uninstall this one, or deactivate this plugin. I'm going to deactivate this plugin. I'm going to deactivate this plugin also. Yeah, and then delete them. Okay, because I don't want them. Now the more plugins that you have on your website, the more it slows down your website. So make sure that you have less plugins on your website. That is why I'm deactivating all of them. So this is the only plugin that we know. Now I'm leaving this one because this is light speed cache. It's a caching plugin which helps us speed up our website. So it is very important that I leave it over there. Now I'm going to activate it, so I'm going to click on activate. Now of course it will send me to a welcome screen or onboarding screen over here. Okay, now if you don't have Elementor, or if this is your first time, it will tell you to create an account. Okay, or you have to connect your account, but I'm going to leave it and then click on skip over here. Okay, and then I'm going to cancel it. Okay, I don't want to pass through that process of onboarding and all those things. So now we have our theme successfully installed. And if you go over here and refresh the website, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we have our theme successfully installed. Okay, so now we are going to install our template. Okay, so now that we have the theme and then the Elementor installed, we're going to install our template. Now we're going to use Elementor to install our template. So what we're going to do is we're going to hover on Elementor over here, go to settings. Okay, now we have to activate something before we can be able to install the template. So go to experiment over here, and then scroll down under stable features. Make sure that you look for import export template kit. Okay, so just click on the default and then activate it. Click on activate. Now after you clicked on activate, come over down here and then click on save to save the changes. Okay, very good. So now that our changes are saved, under the same Elementor over here, you see that there is tools over here. Okay, click on the tools. Now at the moment we activated the import export kit, you see it over here under tools over here. So click on it, the tab over here. Okay, click on that tab, and then you see these two things over here. One is export a template kit, and the other one is what, import a template kit. Now we're going to use the import because we want to import a template kit. So click on start import, and then we will have to upload our file over here. So the file should be a zip file. Okay, so click on select this one, and to choose the file from your from your computer. Okay, so make sure that your how do you call it, you select your file. Okay, so I'm going to go to desktop over here, and then I'm going to look for this one. Okay, this one, KFC United, and then in it I'll have these two things over here. Now of course you see this one is not selected because we cannot import this one. This is what we are going to import. So click on it, and then click on what, open over here. So it will load the file for us, and it will bring out all the plugins that you are supposed to install. Okay, now as you can see, these two are already installed, so it's not going to install them for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on next over here, and then we're going to click on just import to import the template for us. So hold on for a while, it will install and activate all the plugins for you, and then it will go ahead to install the template to for you. Now at the moment you have first, enable unfiltered file uploads. Just click on enable over here to enable it. Do not skip it, make sure that you enable it. Okay, very good. So as you can see over here, your kit is now live on your site. Okay, so your kit is now live on your site. So if you come over here and then we refresh our website, we are supposed to see the changes that has gone through. So as you can see, the changes has come. Okay, now we have a fully functioning website, but as you can see, it is not complete. Okay, so over here, okay, and then even the footer, all is not complete because there is one file that we haven't uploaded yet. So what we're going to do is, let's go back to the dashboard and then click on close over here to close the Elementor import tab, and then let's go to appearance over here, and that appearance, go to customize. Okay, click on customize. Okay, so once that you are at customizer session over here, now scroll down. Okay, go down to the last side which says export import. Okay, export import over here. Now click on it, and then we are not exporting, we are rather importing. So we have to choose a file. Okay, so click on it to choose file, and then what we're going to do is we're going to choose this file. Okay, that is the DAT file over here. So make sure that you click on it, and then you click on open. Now that we have it over here, what we have to do is to click on import. So it will import the DAT file for us, and then our website will be complete. Okay, so as you can see, our website is now complete. So when we go over here and then refresh it, this is our current state. Now when we refresh it, now this is what we are going to get, a complete detailed website. Okay, so now you can click on edit with Elementor and then change anything that you want to change. So for instance, if you want to change maybe this one over here, just on the home page, just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, and then when it opens for you, you do all the necessary changes that you want to change. Okay, let it finish loading. Yeah, so now that you have it over here, let me close this one. So as you can see, you see this pencil icon over here, just click on it. Okay, this place will open for you. So as you can see, Kitech Football Club. So if I want to change it to maybe Love Football Club, I can change it easily. Okay, so Love Football Club, or maybe Loving Football Club, or any football club that you want to change it, and then you can go ahead and then do your editing. Okay, so if this is the mission Okay, if I click on this pencil icon over here, this place will open for me. Then I can fill in what I want to fill in over here. Okay, the same applies to this one. I can fill in all I want to fill in over here. Now if it is the background image that you want to change, just hover on this one over here. Now of course, if I want to change it, I can't change it, but when I come over here, see this navigation icon over here, just click on it. Okay, and then we want to change the session background, so click on the session over here. Okay, you see that this edit session opens for you. Go over here to style. Okay, go to the style over here, and then you can do all your editing over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have 5 images over here. Now if I want to change anything, I just click on the pencil icon over here, and then the images will open. I can delete some, and then I can also add some, so I can drag any image I want to use over here, or I can click on add to gallery, select my image from my computer. Okay, anywhere that I have images, I can just select it over there and then upload it over here. Okay, I'm not going to do that, but that is how you're supposed to do it. Now of course, this one gives you a quick overview of your navigation, where you want to go. So if this is the last session, last but one, and all those things, okay, the columns and other stuff are all on it. Let me close it over here. Now if it is this one that you want to change, the same way, you click on edit over here, and then you can change your your club name or whatever thing that you want to do. If it is this one that you want to change, you click over here, you can enter all your information over here. Okay, so that is it. Now the same thing, the pictures also, you can click over here, and then you can click on edit over here, and then you can add or delete some over there. Make sure that you check the sizes of the images, and then you make sure you make your images also the same thing. Okay, so that is it. So the same way, whenever you see the pencil icon, you can hover on the thing, and when the pencil icon comes, just click on it, and then choose anything. If you want to choose an icon, click on it, and then the icon gallery will open for you, or library will open for you, and then you can choose any icon that you want. So the same way applies to the gallery. You click over here, and then you can go to gallery items over here, and then you can change. This is item 1, so as you can see, this is item 1 over here, so this is it. Okay, you can change or even add some other things to it, edit it the way you want it. So it is very simple. It is not that difficult to do, and you can do it by yourself if only you have the template. So I think this is how you can be able to install the template on your website. Now if you don't want to install the template on the website, then let's go into the video itself, and I'll show you how you can be able to do this step by step from scratch. Okay, thank you, and let's jump into the video. If you are new over here, I will entreat you to like and subscribe to the channel. Keep sharing the channel so that your friends, your loved ones, everybody who wants to learn web design using WordPress can be able to also learn it from the scratch.